Okay, so when you get these kind of problems here, I think the best way to approach this, unless you can just tell immediately what the equation is just take a guess. So if I guess, say, 15, okay, it says when 4 is subtracted from the square of a number, the result is 3 times the number. So let's check and see if 15 works. So I'm going to be subtracting 4 from the square of 15. Okay, and I'm hoping that I'm going to get 3 times the number, which would be 45. Okay, and 225 is 15 squared, so 225 minus 4 is definitely not 45, so we guessed wrong. Okay, so how about if I guess something lower? Let's try 8. Okay, and so let's check that. When I subtract 4 from the square of that, will I get 3 times 8? 24. Okay, well, 8 squared is 64. 64 minus 4 is not 24, so we got it wrong. You could try again. You could try maybe 7. If you square that and subtract 4, do you get 3 times 7, which is 21? Well, 7 squared is 49. Subtract 4, you don't get 21. Okay, so we failed on 3 accounts here, but that's okay. All we were doing is looking for a pattern to see if we can get it. So what you noticed was every time I tried my number, I squared it and I subtracted 4, and I was hoping to get 3 times the number. Okay, so I said that again, but what I was doing was taking the number I had guessed and making it n, and then just writing the same thing I had done before. Now you can say, well, look, I know how to solve equations like that. I'll probably pull the 3n to the other side and then use some method, whether it's factoring or completing the square or quadratic formula, whatever method you choose to solve that equation, and then you'll get your answers. Okay?